Hey, what's up?
Hey, do you want to help me with some groceries?
I'm in the middle of filming. Can I come out in like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator and I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. Today I have a Princess Polly haul for you guys. I know, I just did a haul. But Princess Polly was really awesome and they gave me a discount code for you guys. And I think it only lasts for like a month. So I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible so that way you guys can utilize the discount code before it expired. So let's get into the haul. The first item is this quilted bag. I have been so into quilted bags lately. I just really knew that I wanted a tote, and so when I saw this one I was like, add to cart. I love it. I love the color. It's super cute and neutral and it's kind of just been my everyday bag since I got it. It fits a ton of stuff. I have all of my stuff in there currently right now. I also like that it is a flat bottom. I hate when purses don't have that support at the bottom and they just kind of like billow out. Do not like that. So this one has a nice support and it's just cute. I've been using it every single day and I love it. It's also incredibly cozy to wear. Next up, I have these headbands. I love these. They are super cute, super cozy. And I did get some like this from Amazon a while back, but these ones just have more of a comfortable fit. I got a chocolate brown, a white, and this tan color, which I've already worn a couple times. What's great about these is that they're wide at the top and then they taper down at the bottom. So they are a super comfortable fit. So love these. Next up, I have this really cute flannel. I love it. I got it in a size 8 and it is so soft and so cozy. I want to say this is probably like my most comfortable flannel that I own. I really love it because it has all these neutral tones, browns, tan, white, but it does have a pop of blue in it. And I've like really been into blue lately. I don't know if you could tell. My sweater is blue, my nails are blue. And yeah, I was just really drawn to this and I love pairing it with that quilted bag. And I've actually also paired it with that tan headband as well. I just love how easy this is to wear all the time. And there's so many different ways that you can wear it. I think this is a piece that I'll get so much use out of. Next up is my new favorite pair of jeans. Yes, you heard me correctly. My new favorite pair of jeans. I love these jeans. They are the perfect fit. Oh, I love them. They're comfortable. They do stretch. Know that. They are comfortable, but they do stretch a little bit. So they aren't like as super tight fitting as they were when I first got them, but I feel like they've kind of molded to my body and they didn't stretch out too much. So they're not like super loose where they're uncomfortable to wear. And I've worn these quite a few times and yeah, I'm just obsessed. They're just these nice straight leg jeans and they're not too wide at the bottom. They're kind of like that perfect width. So comfortable. So comfortable that I decided to get them in a second pair. I also got them in this dark blue color and these are beautiful. I don't think that I really own any like super dark jeans other than black. So it is really nice to have like a nice dark blue pair. I've been wearing these so much since I've got them. They are my go-to jeans right now. They are just the perfect high-waisted fit and I like that they go all the way down to my ankle. Most jeans, because I'm taller, are kind of like a cropped denim. So these are perfect. Next up, I have this really cute stretchy top. I love this. It is a button-up top and I feel like there's so many ways that you can wear this. You could wear it as is, you could wear the buttons all the way up, halfway up. You can also wear this open with like a little white tank. This material is super, super stretchy, which I love. And it's super lightweight. I love the like type of material it is. I don't even know what it is, but it is so comfortable. This top really reminds me of like the 90s and early 2000s. This has been such a comfortable go-to top for me lately and it pairs really nicely with the jeans. So I've worn this a couple times already. Next up, I have this cable knit sweater vest. I love this. I love sweater vests. I love a preppy vibe. This is just a comfortable throw on top and it's perfect for like that transition into spring. It's still warm so I can layer it up, but I can definitely wear it on its own, which I have been doing. I got this in a large, extra large, so that it could fit nice and long on me. It is a cropped fit and I didn't want to get something that was too tight. I did want this to be a looser fit on me. So this is such a cute and cozy piece. Next up, I got a bag. I got this one here. It is this really pretty nude color and I thought it would just match really well with all the other pieces that I picked out. This is kind of like a dupe for the Prada bag, which I'm sure you've seen all over the place. And just like the Prada bag, you can wear it multiple ways. If you wanted to wear it with just the chain, you can. And yeah, I don't have too many neutral bags, so I thought, why not pick this one up, add it to my collection, and then I thought it would be perfect for the springtime. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you have seen this skirt. It is so cute. It is stretchy, high-waisted, and I love that maxi skirts are coming back in style. Princess Polly has so many cute ones. I've seen them in so many different colors. This particular one has this really cute little keyhole at the front that ties, and then it also has a slit on the side. You can probably tell I've said it a million times in this video. It's comfy. I love comfy pieces, and this one is perfect. Last but not least, I picked up a pair of shoes. I got these boots here. I know we're going into spring, but I still really love wearing boots, and I know that rainy season is upon us. So I was like, these are the perfect square-toed heeled boots, and they're not too high. They're kind of the perfect height, and they have an elastic ankle here. So they're easy to put on, super comfortable, and yeah, I really love them. I think they're so cute. I've been pairing it with all the other pieces that I picked out. They've been great with the jeans, and they've been really great for the few rainy days that we've experienced lately. Absolutely love these. Alright, well that was my Princess Polly haul. If you guys liked any of the pieces that you saw in today's video, make sure that you check the description down below. I'll make sure to link as many of the items as I can. Don't forget that I have that discount code for you guys. The discount code is MEESH if you guys would like a discount off of your next Princess Polly purchase. Again, if you aren't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider doing so. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never over.